and model of the car you're driving on track today.
It's a 2019 Boxster GTS.
I have a 2016 Porsche Cayman GT4.
I'm driving a 2015 Porsche Boxster GTS.
Porsche 944,
And what year is it?
1984.
2018 Carrera GTS.
Stock or modified?
It is modified.
Stock.
Slightly modified. DSC controller and sport cats.
It's completely stock.
It's stock.
Are you running street tires or slick tires?
I'm running street tires.
We have street tires.
I am on race slicks today.
Semi-street.
Favorite car owned, past or present?
Queen Bee. A GT4 Cayman, 2021.
Porsche 914.
It would have to be this one. This is my favorite car.
Nice.
Ooh, this is probably at the top, but I had an awful lot of fun on my 1999 Miata back when I had it.
Dream car.
991.2 GT3.
What is your dream car?
Well, I'm an old guy, so I come from the years of the muscle cars. A 68 Dodge Charger.
What is your dream car?
911 SC.
Dream car.
GT4 RS.